Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and turn off ambient mode on YouTube. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, there are like some things that you should know is depending on the devices, the ambient mode is written and notified as a different ways for your device. For example, we can access our particular YouTube app, and if we can go to this use option of here, and we can go to the settings, and we can find all kind of settings here in general section, and we don't have exactly an ambient mode just listed over there, right? But in the device section, if you scroll down the status bar of yours, we do have this option of aka for these eye comfort shield on top, right? So if you turn this on, this will simply make our screen a bit of a yellowish for it to turn this to our eye comfort level. So whatever the ambient modes function is simply for you to get access to that service only, so it will depend on the device of yours. For us it's listed as a eye comfort. For you it might be something else. Simply go ahead, check it up and enable it according to your need whenever you're watching YouTube and would like to enable that. So that is how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.